15 years, man. And they back. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I appreciate you guys, man. And the last time we saw the Jordan 5 Wolf Gray was 2011. I can't remember 2011. Let me try to think. Jeremy Scott and Adidas was killing with the crazy sneakers, the wings, the dollar sneakers. That was dope. LeBron was in Miami, so I know we got some LeBron Miami situation. Jordan 6 Gatorades came out, run with the towel, the green joints. That was 2011. But these stood out from 2011. And it's the 15-year anniversary, so Jordan decided to drop them. Just off the eye test, man, the qualities is dope, man. I saw the 220 price tag, I think, and I was like, it's a little high for these, but material's A1, man. And let's not act like Jordan 5s haven't been killing. Like, these bad boys here, super dope. Very close to sneaker of the year last year. Very close. One or two. The bricks came out, so it's kind of hard to tell. And I can honestly say at the end of the year, these might be there too. Of course, you had the Reimagine 5s. We got the Grapes back. The Fire Red. So almost every 5 that dropped last year to this year, dope. And sold out. These people are still trying to get these. $300 price tag. We don't do too much long talking here at Sneaker Notes. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get the same gray in the sneaker in the box. But this is more of a platinum silver look. But I like what they tried to do there. Huge Jumpman Jordan on the front. The back got all the bells and whistles. Air Max swoosh, etc., 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 etc. You got your cement down here, or elephant print, whatever y'all calling it nowadays. And it reads Air Jordan 5 Retro, Graphite White, Wolf Gray. I always like, Wolf Gray was like always a funny color to me. Flip open the lid, white tissue paper. You don't get the black tissue paper. You do get the divider. That's retro. That's OG. And let's get it, man. Here's a 360 view of the left shoe. Wolf Gray Retro Jordan 5's 15-year anniversary, man. Quality's crazy. Let's just start at the toe box. Look at that, man. Look at that plush bounce back. And that is soft material, but somehow it feels hard. It's crazy. That's why the $220 price tag, guys. As you go along, you can see like little creases inside the sneaker, especially in the inside. The material's there, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. Material is there, man. And I just love the all gray look. It comes in the gray shoelaces on top of the gray, and whatever else ain't gray, it's like a silver or a platinum hit, and that's super dope. They put the 23 back on the side, nostalgic look, super dope. My only gripe is the Jordan man on the back. I wish it said Nike Air. I love Nike Air on the back, on the 3s, the 4s, the 5s. But I get why they put the Jordan brand there. Jordan is really trying to distance himself from the retros being Nike Air and being more of his brand. And I get it. I can't be mad. They go your Fireflight or Fighter Jet. Y'all changed the name so much in the last 15 years. That's in a platinum accent. Then you got the translucent bottom. Sneakers dope. Look at the translucent, man. The stitching is even great, guys. The stitching. Yeah, they put this together, man. Let's go to the top of the shoe. You get again gray tongue, or I guess you could. Nah, that's more silver with a silver Jordan on the top. You get your ice shoelace hit. We used to call it ice in New York. Let me know in the comment section below where y'all called it, where y'all from. Only another gripe, man. White sock liner. No one likes a dirty sock liner, man. That white sock liner is kind of hard, man. Then you got the Air Jordan tag on the back. You know, on some Jordans, it's upside down, but this one is straight, right? Yeah, this one is straight Air Jordan. You don't get a shoe tree, you get balled up tissue paper. But the inside is also all white, just like the sock liner with a Jordan Jumpman in the inside. Icy bottom, guys. Icy bottom. Silver Jordan, man. And it should say Jordan. You can see it right there. Translucent, icy bottom, man. But look at the tumbleness just all through the sneaker, guys. Here's the right shoe here, guys. Nothing's changed. This still sports the tumbleness. They go the air bubble there. That's even grayish in the inside. They killed this sneaker, man. Like, I get the price tag, man. I really get the price tag. Just looking at it, just looks like the, if y'all remember the Cement 4s that came out a couple of, 2 years ago, I think. The Cement 4s, the Olympic 4s, whatever they was calling it. Same technology, quality just way better on these Wolf Grays here. Yes, sir. So, I got these from the JD Sports. Did I? Let me think. I know JD Sports and Finish Line gave me a reward shop. I think I did get it from them. But if not, maybe I got it from Sneakers. I can't remember because Sneakers charged me $239. But now I'm trying to think, what did they charge me $239 for? It must be something that's on the way. I got these from the JD Sports, I believe. Yeah, the early exclusive access. When that first started, I liked it. But now that sneakers are, Nike is making a lot of sneakers, you kind of get bamboozled into doing that early access stuff. And then the sneaker comes and you could just readily go in the store and get it. But I still like that they do that. Shout out to JD Sports. Shout out to Finish Line. Oh, the Air Max 95 yellow neon joints I got from Nike. These definitely came from JD Sports. I'm happy with the purchase, man. And when I made the purchase, I was like, I don't know if these gonna sit around. But I do believe we got restocks coming, man. When I was in All-Star Weekend a couple of weeks ago, everything that sold out was readily. Gammas, Black Cats, everything that sold out in the last couple was ready. So, I don't know, man. I did think about selling these and getting them unions, but I still got the union shadow, whatever's over there that I still ain't get on feet, so I think I'm going to just let those go. But let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below, man. I told you I really don't do Jordan 5s too much in this colorway because I feel like Virgil made the best one, but this is a hit, man. This is a hit. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.